Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change chat wallpaper in Beep Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So as you can see right now, I'm in a conversation and here we can see the default theme or wallpaper, and now let's see how to change the wallpaper. So click on more and tap on settings, tap on chat settings and tap on chat wallpaper, and from this list select any wallpaper. Also you can upload a new photo from your phone gallery by clicking on this photo library option. So I'm going to selecting here this one, and now I'm going to opening a conversation, and here you can see the wallpaper has been changed. So that's how you can do it. If this video helpful, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.